Hi, and welcome to your daily belly dance break. Learning how to belly dance in short, fun, healthy movement breaks that you can easily incorporate into your busy life. I'm Vanessa, and I've been performing and teaching belly dance worldwide since 2001. And I also teach other forms of mindful movement, such as Pilates and yoga, and I specialize in healthy movement and correct alignment. At the end of this course, you'll be able to dance a really fun, energizing, and uplifting belly dance choreography that you can break out anytime you want a fast dance break, you need some healthy movement, or you just want to have fun. As you learn how to belly dance, you will increase your core strength and your spinal mobility, and both of those are really important to maintain health, longevity, agility, and youthfulness. You'll also notice increased happiness, reduced stress and anxiety. You'll get to have a ton of fun in the process, and you'll have better coordination and balance, and you might even shed some pounds if that's what you're looking for. This course is broken down into short videos that you can easily incorporate into your daily life in what I like to call dance breaks. In each video, you'll learn one movement of the choreography, plus some optional embellishments that you may want to try adding once you get comfortable with the basics. At the end, we'll put it all together so you can dance the entire dance. There are two versions of this choreography. There's a more basic version, which is great if you're a brand new beginner, and then there's a more advanced variation that you can work towards once you get comfortable with the basics. I've designed this course for busy women who want to incorporate more healthy and fun movement into their daily lives and really enjoy themselves in the process. Not everyone has time to go to the gym for an entire hour, not to mention the commute time to get there, but 5 to 10 minutes is totally doable. This is also a great way to break up excessive periods of sitting. Research has shown that sitting for extended time periods, which most of us do every day, is actually super hazardous for your health. And the best way to reduce that hazard is by getting up and moving regularly. So now go ahead and have a look at the introduction of the course, at the end of which there is a little snippet of what you'll be learning. I look forward to seeing you on the inside.